LED CMN1008-T3 Neo Wedge Ball. 1. Upgraded 3030 chip features one high-quality SMD3030 LED with 3 chips in series, delivering bright, stable, and long-lasting illumination. True premium material and heat dissipation, made with durable PC base. Material for excellent heat resistance and improved product lifespan. 3. Compact and accurate fit, Neo Wedge design with dimensions 8.0mm x 10.0mm. Ideal for check installation spaces in automotive interiors. 4. Wide voltage compatibility within a wide voltage range of 10 to 30 VDC, ensuring stable performance across different vehicle systems. 5. Safety warning function, emit a green light under normal conditions, changes to yellow or red to indicate vehicle issues clearly. 6. Important note, before purchase please confirm your socket type and bulb size to ensure proper fit and compatibility. 7. Model L.E.D CMN1008-T3 Neo Wedge Ball. Available in multiple color options to enhance both functionality and interior aesthetics.